Are your chickens coughing, sneezing, or gasping for air? Don't rush to antibiotics just yet. Nature is a better, safer cure. In today's video, I will show how simple herbs like rosemary and peppermint can treat respiratory infections in poultry naturally. Let's dive deep. Firstly, I want you to understand the respiratory infections in poultry. Respiratory infections are common in poultry caused by bacteria, viruses, or dust environments. You will notice symptoms like sneezing, nasal discharge, coughing, and noisy breathing. So if left untreated, these infections slow down growth, reduce egg production, and can spread quickly across your flock. I will start with rosemary preparation, but before that, you must know what rosemary is and some properties you get. Rosemary is not just a spice, it's a strong natural antibiotic and lung cleanser. It contains rosmanic acid, which helps fight bacteria and improve airflow in chickens. There are two methods on how you can use this herb to your poultry. Method 1 is the Herbal tea method. You boil a handful of rosemary leaves in 2 liters of water for 10 minutes and let it cool. Then mix the tea with 5 liters of clean drinking water. Give this to your chickens for 3 to 5 days. A second method is feed mix. You dry the rosemary leaves, grind them and mix 1 tablespoon per 1 kg of feed. And another herbal hero is peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which opens airways, reduces coughing, and cools the respiratory tract. It also helps your chickens breathe easier and reduce stress, especially in hot weather. The preparation is easy. You boil a handful of peppermint leaves in 2 liters of water and let it cool and mix with 5 liters of clean water for the beds and give for 3 to 5 days. You know what? You can combine these two wonderful herbs and come out with the amazing combo. When combined, rosemary and peppermint create a powerful natural treatment. Rosemary fights infections while peppermint clears the airways, helping your chickens recover faster and breathe easier. So what you do is you take 1 handful of rosemary and 1 handful of peppermint leaves and boil in 3 liters of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool and mix with 7 liters of clean water and give it to your birds for straight 5 days. Repeat once every 2 weeks as a preventive measure and protect your flock against respiratory infections. Just for some bonus tips to prevent respiratory problems in future, you must make sure your poultry house is well ventilated, dry and clean. Also avoid overcrowding and add some herbs like rosemary and peppermint to your program to strengthen your flock's immunity. So there you have it, a simple, natural and affordable way to treat respiratory infections using rosemary and peppermint. These herbs don't just cure, they keep your chickens healthy, strong and productive. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more poultry tips. Till next time, peace, love and light.